Hi, Brody. Show me the rooster. What's the rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. What's he say?
Cock-a-doodle.
Yeah. What's this?
Uncle Money.
Uncle Money gave you that truck? That was nice. Is that nice? What kind of truck is it?
Good.
Yeah, it's a Ford.
Doodle.
Video. I'm making a video. What kind of car is this?
Doodle.
Toyota, yeah. It's a Toyota. Who gave that to you?
Uncle Money.
Uncle Money. That was so nice. Isn't that nice? The steering wheel? Did it fall out?